now that we have been searching for a vehicle, we have bought the Iveco 4x4 daily chassis just to custom build the ultimate expedition vehicle. This is not any motorhome that you have ever seen. I've challenged myself for the past 2.5 years in design, technology, and the ability to 100% go off-grid. Now this design is out of the world, meaning it is not the conventional motorhome or expedition vehicle you have ever seen. I spent a lot of time studying and going through a lot of other competitors or YouTube videos to know how the Europeans or the harshest environment, people who drive expedition vehicle to conquer different terrains and weather. So this round, I think we've finally completed the design. We're sending to the CAD engineers to complete the drawings. I found a good manufacturer from New Zealand and we're gonna build it. This is a very highly innovative and creative design, and I've spec'd out all the best equipments in the world. Everything running on 12 volts. And so because we have been in real estate for past 30 years, so we have decided to increase the GFA of a expedition vehicle, which you know the footprint in a vehicle is very small, because we need to be able to go and drive into the city, because there are a lot of expedition vehicles are not city friendly. You know, regardless how off-grid you can be, there will be that day of the week you need to go to the supermarket, you need to wash your laundry, so we still need to go back to civilization. Nevertheless, however long you're in the forest, that this day you still need to drive into the city. It has got to be luxurious but yet nimble at the same time. You must make it 4 seasons. When we're talking about 4 seasons, we talk about extreme weather. Ensure that it can go into very hot desert areas and can go below -20 and even through winter. So how can we do it off-grid? So that's where knowledge comes into play, right? So the design aspect also require 2 queen-size bed, indoor-outdoor kitchen. By increasing the GFA, we increased the roof terrace and created a outdoor patio. So that immediately increased almost 2.5 times of the cabin area. We're gonna build it and hope you check out my channel. Cheers.